Welcome, today you've heard of me, Oppo Reno 7, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that scroll here to the home screen and lock screen section. Oh, I think not. Sorry, just to home. Just to personalization section, sorry. And after that click here to the wallpapers just folder. Here we can see that we can select our new device wallpaper from our device album. So if we got, for example, previously taken photos on our device or just downloaded from the internet, for example. And also here we get the default photos and the live default photos. For example, we can go with this one. Just click here on this photo. Here we can change the zoom of this photo, the position. Then just click to apply and click here to set as a lock screen. Now just wait a second, and when we'll block the device, we can see that we just successfully changed the lock screen wallpaper on our Oppo device. By the same way, not by the same way, just by another way, we can make the same action just to change the wallpaper. The easiest way, as for me, just hold one from your home screens, and here on the left down corner you'll see the wallpaper section. Click here and you will launch the same folders with the wallpapers. Just select one from these wallpapers, for example this one, click apply, lock screen, wait a second and just check. And as can you see, we'll just again change our lock screen wallpaper successfully. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.